Such is the rule of honor.
Hello. Hello. हेलो तू कैसे बोल उधर बोलेगा
Hello.
हेलो
Hello.
हाय
Hi.
hi hi it's that yeah it's like I just love Andrew Scott from the Benedict Cumberbatch
कौन सा बैच?
Cumberbatch
तू कौन से बैच का?
Man, ये कैसे करा है हर्ष ने ये देखियो what the fuck nobody cares for aesthetics dude
That's
Jesus Christ
pathetics.
pathetic you know the funniest thing that happened to
I
me
like prosthetics.
Sure. In college, so this is my branding class in junior year, third year, right? And we're presenting on. I think this was our near like the second or third, like third final branding. Our branding because my focus was branding. So the branding final. This lady comes in. Okay, she's American
Hmm.
and she's showing her presentation. And उसमें notes लिखते हैं, you're trying to you write shit down, phrases down, or like basic principles, the core principles of the brand. Of
Sure,
shit.
sure.
Astastic consideration.
Sorry?
A-
Astastic.
she spelled it. This is a white person, a native-born American, who for their first language is English. Astastic. ASSTASTIC.
Was she a hottie?
She could get it, but not really hottie.
Was she astastic or not? That's the question.
Frankly, not so much. Not so much. You meet her at a bar, you'd fuck her.
Then it's distasteful.
You meet her at a bar, you'd fuck her, right?
Okay.
But like astastic, buddy.
If she ain't bringing the astastic, then I think it's really distasteful of her. If she were, then fine, I understand.
Oh my god.
College professor trying to drop hints for the hot young students, fine. But
College
if,
professor नहीं थी वो student थी भाई.
अच्छा, student जो presentation.
ये student
Oh,
ही
that's
professor
even
थोड़ी.
more desperate. Oh wow.
This is my
She's
batch
trying to
mate,
she's trying to like project onto her peers ki
Astastic.
notice my ass.
No, and a couple of us noticed, and one of the guys even asked her, "Is that on purpose, astastic?" And he's a gay guy because he was like, "Oh, so astastic? Is that on purpose?" Oh my god, Jesus Christ!
Of course, the gay guy is going.
I have a photo of this guy presenting in my class, and he was wearing shorts that were so short, his balls were hanging out. I have a photo.
No way, my role model.
I have a photo. Should I bring it up? I'll go through my
Sure.
fucking library to bring that photo up. I tweeted it. I was
Oh
so,
my
we were
God.
all we were horrified, dude. We were horrified. Like,
Wow.
listen, it's not.
And what was the color of his skin?
Oh my god, he's white. Also, another white guy, dude.
Wow.
Fucking
Are
retard.
their
all of them.
balls like
Cheers.
pink or what is it? Cheers.
They look like balls, bro. Balls are pink and brown and all of it, and dirty and things. Yeah, cheers. Now, what do I even search? Balls.
You're gonna search balls in your gallery and you're gonna come up with these results.
There'll probably be hundreds of photos.
Yeah.
I made the joke for you, buddy.
We all have to.
Anyway, I have much.
हम सबको भेजना पड़ता है actually.
I have much to
Anyone
do.
who works in this building, like it's part of your sign and it's our biometric.
He's got to be on the cover letter of the
You gotta-
application for,
You gotta
for
see,
the-
do the balls match the drapes?
whatever the fuck.
I don't know, man.
What were you trying to get at? The
don't know.
balls match the
I don't know,
drapes?
man. There's a curtain thing
drapes?
hanging right there.
The fuck are
You know how curtains are.
Jesus Christ. This is my friend's ass. I mean, yeah, I don't know what it is. Maybe was it just New York? Was it just art school? Am I just a degenerate
This is
surrounded
my
by
friend's
other
ass. You
degenerates?
got a collection of like
This is my friend.
assorted.
So this is my friend's ass. Mateus.
Yes, thank you so much.
He's still a great friend of mine. Well, this is Maya's ass.
Okay.
Uh,
You got a buttload of photos there.
well, like I said, balls and butts, that's half the library. But it'll take me a while to get to this. I have a bunch of shit to complain about. Frankly, this government is getting a little fascistic for me.
The Indian one?
The Indian government. Have you seen this new thing about controlling AC temperatures?
No.
Two people sent me this, by the way.
Oh my god, that's the one way to turn you against them.
Two people it's so weird because two people sent me this today, And basically, they've tried to roll out this new scheme where they are going to be controlling AC temperatures. You cannot set the temperature on your thermostat below 20 degrees or above 28, like anyone's doing that.
Modi sucks. Vote him out.
Who the fuck is trying to fucking set the temperature above 28? Dude, just go outside. Just go outside, man. Above 28 degrees in
No.
this country? The fuck are you talking about?
You can't do that.
But in any case, who the fuck are you to tell me what temperature? No, what is it? तो मेरे घर आके बदलेंगे क्या?
Under 20 नहीं कर सकते. अभी 18 पे नहीं चल रहा.
हैं?
अभी 18 पे नहीं चल रहा.
बिल्कुल चल रहा है 18 पे.
I
और
don't-
कहाँ तक करके दिखाएं?
Breaking the law.
Fucking what is this Nazi Germany, dude? Fuck out of here, dude. You're not gonna control the temperature in my property. Frankly, it ain't happening.
But I'd love to know more about this. What the hell do they mean?
Should I
You
just
can't-
by the time I'm looking for the photo
Balls.
of the ball sack,
Yes.
I'm gonna send you this article. Please read it out loud for the audience.
Sure.
Right? Let's get this party
My
going.
pleasure.
New temperature rule for AC is announced. What it is and why government wants to limit AC cooling. Fuck off. Fuck off.
Must be some environmental shit or something like that.
Disgusting. You're too late to the party. Even Greta Thunberg has moved on from the environment. She's now in Gaza, getting
She's-
captured on a
Actually,
boat.
she's currently kidnapped. Hold on, we'll come to that in a sec. But
No, she was released now. She's released. She's been released.
she's released.
Yeah, she's on a
No,
flight to Paris now.
I hate it. I had a list of the passengers,
I
of
know,
the
I know.
prisoners and all
अरे
half
मैंने
of them are fucking Frenchies, by the way.
ये 2-3 दिन का ही ये 2-3 दिन का किस्सा था. अगर हम पॉडकास्ट कल परसों रिकॉर्ड कर लेते तो हम कहानी बना सकते थे. कल ही रिलीज हुई है बेचारी. So we could have been safe, but now that we know, well, I guess I could have held
What
it
is
back
this
from you.
breaking news? Greta Thunberg has been recaptured by the Israelis just in time and inconvenience for our podcast.
I'm just saying, dude,
That's crazy.
even
BBC.
Greta's moved on and she's now on to the Israel
कितना
or whatever
रोती
the
है?
fuck.
कितना रोती है? ओह.
यार उसका पूरा ब्रांड ही वो है. अब देख बात बता. She rises to prominence by bitching and moaning, crying about shit, getting attention for it. What do you expect her to do? She's fucked. You know, it's like those celebrity kids, the Disney kids.
Yeah.
They're just forever fucked in the head.
She's an environmentalist Disney kid.
She's an environmental Disney kid. Yeah, exactly.
Okay. The Indian government is planning a new rule to control the temperature range at which air conditioners can run in the country. According to the new provision, Union Minister Manohar Lal Khattar, that bastard, said a new provision is being implemented soon regarding air conditioning standards. Temperature standardization for ACs will be set between 20 to 28, which means we will not be able to cool below 20 degrees or heat above 28. First of its kind experiment aiming to standardize temperature settings. Currently, AC temperature goes up to 18 degrees
Up to
Celsius.
that's well
16 and a few.
Won't that be my wet dream, huh?
Yeah.
If AC temperatures only went up to 18.
18.
उसके ऊपर कर नहीं सकते. मेरे को कोई टेंशन नहीं होगी, bro. Honestly, if that was the law, by the way, I'm down for that law. If you want to do fascism, do it right. Do it the
Yeah.
way I like it.
Up to 18. 12 to 18 is the perfect.
I've had it here. I've had it up to here with this. Oh, look
12
at
to
her.
18, I think, is the
How's
perfect
she
age
doing
range
it?
for ACs.
How's she doing? I miss her.
Wow.
Now I'm just going through all my fucking sexts, I guess. That's all I'm doing.
Great.
There's going to be some balls in there, huh? But the Sunana ki government, bro, fascism is on the rise. Guys,
Government says it'll keep track of how the new rules are followed. However, exact details of how this will be enforced,
Yeah,
especially in different sectors, have
let's-
not been specified.
let's talk about that. Let's talk
We'll have
about
to bribe your AC वाला और air conditioner वाला. सुन भाई 18 तक का कर दे यार.
तो
But
होएगा तो
मुझे
यही.
मुझे 16 का चाहिए. You'll sound like a pedophile. The fucking perfect age range for air conditioning is 12 to 18.
Bro, imagine a sting operation. भाई मेरे को 20 से कमी चाहिए यार. मेरे को 18 16 भी करा दे, 16 करा दे. I'll love you for it. I'll pay you top dollar. The guy's talking about AC temperature. Suddenly he's in jail. For AC.
Ah.
But you could spin it. You could spin that shit, dude. Was it AC? Is AC
Noida will be the heaviest affected.
is AC just slang for a child?
Yeah.
I'm looking for a
A
child.
child.
Right. Wow.
Ooh.
Wow.
और मुझे 16 का करा दे.
16 के बच्चे चाहिए मुझे. No, but how do they go about trying to enforce this? No, let's talk about that. Like, what are they gonna? They're gonna send someone here to check every day. Every day. How are they gonna do it, man? I feel like this is the kind of thing that can only apply to like future sales of air conditioners.
It is an energy shit thing.
It's an energy thing. Oh, it must be an energy load thing for the grid, na yaar.
Studies show 1% increase in AC temperature cuts energy use by 6%. If everyone sets their degrees just 1 degree higher, their ACs were just 1 degree higher, we can save about 3
Found it.
gigawatts of power during peak
I found
time.
his balls.
Found his balls.
You want to have a look?
Yeah. I don't think we can show the audience.
I literally
though.
have like 2-3. Huh?
I don't think we can show the audience though, but yeah. Oh, YouTube algorithm nudity.
I
mein
literally
kar
have
rahe.
tweeted this dude presenting in class right now has his balls hanging out and everyone in class knows, but the professor hasn't said anything. Why? I've tweeted this. Check this out. Check his balls out, dude. I think it was just one of his ball. It's a ball hanging out
Wow.
from behind his shorts.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
It's crazy. It's crazy what they allow out in
The
the
hell
West.
are those pants?
They're not pants. It's barely
The
underwear.
hell are
It's-
those shorts?
It's knit underwear. Oh my god, some of the gays, dude. Listen, I love y'all, but you're.
You're allowed to go to class like this? I mean,
Yeah.
I guess you're allowed to do the hell you want.
It's art school. It's Parsons, dude. They don't give a
Oh
fuck.
my god.
Nobody gives a fuck out there. Literally nobody gives
See,
a fuck.
this is the only reason I'm for rules because some
there was-
people need them.
Yeah, because they will abuse it anyway. Air conditioning.
Yes, 16-year-old.
I love Rahul Gandhi.
Okay.
Suddenly I've switched sides.
Indian Leonardo DiCaprio, as it were.
What does that mean?
16-year-olds or whatever. Rahul.
Right. Is that what it is? Does
I
he-
don't know. What's Leonardo DiCaprio's dating pool?
Leonardo DiCaprio is 25.
Oh.
Yeah, he doesn't go beyond 25.
Much
Because-
like the air conditioning.
No, incorrect.
Air conditioning 30 तक जाता है.
जाता है क्या 30 तक? मैंने कभी सेटिंग्स एक्सप्लोर नहीं करी.
तुझे 21 के ऊपर कुछ नहीं पता.
मैंने
ना उम्र,
नहीं,
ना
ऐस-
टेम्परेचर.
देखो ऐसी बात नहीं है कि मैंने कभी 21 के ऊपर सेट नहीं करा है. एक बार 22 भी करा था, एक बार 23 भी करा है.
I find
लेकिन-
21 is a sweet spot though.
नहीं.
Ladies are nice and aware. And sorry. Just
Ah.
go on.
तो like I said, मैंने कभी 23 के ऊपर एक्सप्लोर नहीं करा and I prefer 18. I'm talking about the ladies.
All right. That's why I said air conditioning, you going up to 23 is not possible. ये तो option नहीं है.
कैसा चूतिया देश है? Don't you have other priorities? How about clean water, motherfuckers?
Dude,
How about food, bitch?
how about comfort and stuff of your people? Like, some people need low AC. Now look at the American example. Mr. President Donald Trump has outlawed paper straws and brought back plastic straws. He signed a fucking executive order.
Only for the government. He can't outlaw it for the whole country.
He's making an effort.
Yes.
Because paper straws explode every once in a while. He said it, by the way. I have it on video. Trump says, paper straws, they do all these kinds of things.
Explode.
They don't last for minutes. In fact, not even for seconds. They can explode. See?
They can explode.
I have it. देखा?
Yeah, I mean, sure, if you were to light it on fire, or I don't know, I don't even know how that. How does? Well, I mean, what kind of chemical? There must be some chemical reaction that makes paper explode, I guess. But
What's a forest fire?
I'm not aware of it.
What's a forest fire?
Correct. Yeah, we're
Yeah.
playing Jeopardy out here, huh? What's a
Let's
forest
just
fire?
link everything. One sec. Dolan
interesting. I've got-
by.
तो एक जगह आज बहुत ही fruits खाने का मतलब कि I guess it's just hot, and I also am like now just out running in the heat.
So अब तो चीजें खाएगा.
So these
थोड़ा
days,
अब तो.
yeah, no, these days I just
ये
need
hydrating भी है.
I like a lot of
हाँ.
fruit. Yeah, exactly. Like,
Watermelon.
so here, I'm fucking around with a couple of fruits.
ये
out
देख.
here. What is this? This is apple, and beetroot, and carrot. Carrot.
I haven't beat my root today, but look, top left.
So your dad's gonna do it for you, huh? today?
That's not how masturbation works. Top
Top
left.
left,
Top
Trump.
left. सबसे recent.
Trump science is the volume up.
अबे, you gotta click on it. for
As the
that.
volume up, मैं पहले पूछ रहा था because
हाँ हाँ.
This is an executive order relating to the use of paper straws. As you've consistently identified, nobody really likes paper straws.
Number one trending. Can you believe it? A paper straw was number one trending for 3 days or something. We're going back to plastic straws. These things don't work. I've had them many times, and on occasion they break, they explode. If something's hot, they don't last very long, like a matter of minutes, sometimes a matter of seconds. It's a ridiculous situation. So we're going back to plastic straws. I think it's okay.
the man's got the right ideas.
They explode, man, and you
They-
can't have exploding straws near your
I mean,
populace. He cares about the people.
are you going to tell me in the same nation to board a flight, I got to take my shoes off to make sure I'm not going to fuck shit up, and suddenly you have exploding straws in every cafe on the road?
No, man.
It's a safety issue. Frankly.
Star fucks.
Yeah, exactly.
No way.
Yeah. I'm done with this shit. I am on board, Mr. President. And while you're at it, please talk sense into whatever the fuck Mr. Khattar out here trying to tell me that he's gonna come to my home and fuck my AC up. Bitch.
man.
You know what it is? I'm gonna just go because अभी क्या ये अभी कानून उन्होंने नया बनाया है.
Right.
This kind of thing they cannot possibly regulate
अरे पहले घरों में
existing
बिजली
ACs.
पहले घरों में बिजली तो लाओ बहन के लोड़ो. तुम यहाँ हमारा
They cannot
AC
possibly
temperature का
regulate
देख रहे हो.
existing ACs. They have to make this apply to future sales of future electronics, right?
Yeah.
They probably said the thing there. So I'm just gonna go on an AC buying spree, dude. buy, all
खरीद ले.
the, buy, all
अगले
the,
20 साल के AC खरीद के रख ले.
buy all the ACs you can. And
Vintage air conditioning का ऐसे business आएगा.
I'm telling you, dude. I'm telling you.
People like यार वो ना वो LG का हिटाची का था ना यार वो 18 तक जाता था यार 16 तक भी जाता है.
बिल्कुल.
आजकल सिर्फ 20 तक आते
So that's
हैं.
what I'm saying. And I think, guys, there's a big opportunity out here.
For black market ACs.
Black. No, I mean, देख यार, तो उतने कलेक्टर्स के होते हैं, सेशन होते हैं. और बंदे ने
मेरा जिम ट्रेनर फोन कर रहा है.
उठा ना गोविंद भाई को उठा. यार मेरे को उसको एक उससे पूछियो वो पुराने ट्रेडमिल या फिर कुछ मल्टी जिम
और-
खरीदता है.
और क्या हाल है?
I got to re-up my. I got to change my gym. Home gym.
क्या बात है? बस यार मैं बोर हो गया यार तुम्हारी शक्ल देख के. मैं क्या बोलूं? इसलिए मैंने एक्सरसाइज करना छोड़ दिया. हैं? ढंग से बोलो.
मेरी शक्ल को देखने के लिए तरसते हैं लोग.
अच्छा. नहीं वो भाई तुम्हारी गांड देखने को तरसते थे. वो लोहे का बना हुआ है ना तुम्हारे. हाँ.
बबुआ इतना पहलेगे ना तुमको, इतना पहलेगे ना लेग्स करवा के.
मेरे को पेलोगे यार ऐसे पब्लिक. पता है अभी पॉडकास्ट पे हो.
गोविंद भाई.
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
क्या?
हेलो.
हाँ हेलो. फटी कैट.
हेलो.
हेलो. हाँ आवाज तो आ रही है भाई. अबे
Wrap it up. Wrap it up.
बाय. ओ आपकी थोड़ी गांड फाड़नी थी. अब बाद में बात करते हैं. कल नहीं यार मेरी बाय.
Oh
मैं
my
अभी
God.
काम पे हूँ एक्चुअली. मैं
Finish
बिजी
your
हूँ. मैं
sentence,
मीटिंग में
fuck's
हूँ.
sake. Jesus Christ.
Okay.
Can't imagine you do this professionally.
और
This guy
guy-
speaks into a mic professionally. He can't even complete a sentence. Wow.
गांड फट गई गोविंद भाई की. क्या बात कर रहे हो पॉडकास्ट में?
So anyway, that's what I was reeling about, the rise of fascism in this nation, where a few control the lives of many. And it's,
I like it. No,
I
wait.
used to like it.
No, wait. In this context, I don't
I
like
used
it.
to like it. Now I got a problem.
Only if I am controlling.
Listen, if it affects me, I got a problem. Why the fuck do I care about anybody else, man? There's too much. There's too much stress in life anyway.
Yeah.
तेरी कदर करूँ, माँ की, बाप की, बहन की, दुनिया की भी कर लूँ क्या? पागल बैठा हूँ मैं. तो काम नहीं है.
So, firstly, मेरी तो तू करता नहीं है.
देख तो थोड़ा बहुत white lies. You gotta
So just to clear any misunderstandings, audience को गलत impression ना आ जाए कि यार ये तो. And also secondly, for the same impression, don't throw your mom and dad in the same boat you're throwing me in. फिर तो ज्यादा ही तुम्हारी relation spoil हो जाएगी.
अच्छा.
Yeah.
I'm just saying, dude. I'm just saying. When things go the way I don't want them to, it's fascism. Frankly,
Correct, man.
everything else.
Anytime I don't like something, it's fascism.
That's fucking
आज
fascism.
मेरा बाप मेरी गाड़ी लेके क्या fascism है
He's
bro?
a fascist, authoritarian.
My dad is
motherfucker.
a fascist.
He's an authoritarian. Yes, exactly. At the very least.
Yes.
At the very least, he's authoritarian, and at his worst, he's a fascist.
And next time he takes quote unquote my car and वो घर पे नहीं है, instead of coming in an auto and having my skincare sweat off, I will be a freedom fighter and take his car.
One day he takes your car. Next, he's fucking a girl, bro. Just fucking watch out, dude. Daddy's.
I'd say I can't have that, but I feel like my mom would have something to say before that. But sure.
Well, you can take his car, but you can't fuck his girl. So
That's a-
'cause there's a problem.
I
mean,
can't do that. They need
that's it. That's what I'm saying. He's got a trump card there, dude.
Well, not my mother, but maybe one of his affairs, sure.
Oh
Wow.
wow!
That's
Revelation drop, big bro.
Whoa.
Woo!
Did I just expose a family situation that may or may not be true? We'll never know. I will know. We will never know.
Oh my god! What if
Oh.
your father is secretly watching this show, bruv? What's up with that?
So,
What happens? What
hi,
happens if
Papa.
that's-
You're fucking up. Hello. बात करें?
You're fucking up, Dad. Hi, Dad. You're fucking up.
Yeah. But yeah, clearly, now that I've declared it, it must be.
And she's not into it. Fucking up. I don't know. Up is a girl, I guess. Up is the name.
Leave the jokes to me.
Acha.
Leave the jokes to me.
Correct. So there's no show then, I guess.
You know, fuck you.
No comeback.
Oh man,
No comeback.
no
I got
comeback?
you. Got his ass.
I fucking just
Got his
Yeah,
ass.
got his ass.
What else is happening, dude?
As long as my dad isn't screaming "God his ass," that's fine. What else is happening, bro? Lots of shit happened this week. Um, I haven't watched it yet, but I feel like we got to get into this fact. Vijay Mallya came on Raj Shamani's podcast.
Oh, dude,
for
actually,
3 hours.
that's
Huh?
hilarious. Huh?
You watched it?
I have not
My
seen
dad
it.
was watching it yesterday.
I haven't seen any of it because I actually just personally don't care about Rajamani.
Or Vijay Mallya very much anymore.
Vijay Mallya is fun.
He's fun, but the clips I caught were like him saying, "I hope people remember the positive things I did for business." And I'm like, okay, bye. Where are the Kingfisher calendar girls? Fuck off.
Yeah, exactly. Bring him back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Deepika Katrina goated era.
Yeah, for sure, dude. Wasn't Deepika also fucking his son or something? for a bit?
Yeah, Siddharth Mallya and her were together for a couple of years or something.
Hmm.
And then she left him for Yuvraj Singh or something like that. Or the
Ho-
other way around.
Hoes, bitches.
Yeah.
Can't trust them, dude.
No, I mean, Deepika likes Yuvraj. What are you going to do about it?
I'm just saying hoes, you can't
She
trust
can,
them.
she
I'm
can
just
do
saying you can't-
exactly what she wants.
just saying
I
hoes.
get it.
I'm just saying you can't trust the hoes. Deepika's not a hoe. मैं कह रहा हूँ hoes को नहीं trust
Hoes in general को trust नहीं कर
hoes
सकते.
को नहीं सकते. दीपिका जी तो देवी हैं वो तो देवी हैं यार
This is,
है ना?
yeah,
She's a goddess, so frankly.
absolutely.
Yeah. Cheers to Deepika.
Cheers to Deepika.
Keep sucking and fucking whoever you want, dog.
Hopefully Ranveer Singh now, but
Well, I'm just saying whoever you want.
Ah.
Apparently she was sucking and fucking the other guy also. During गहराइयाँ वो कोई और गहरा हो गया था बंदा शायद. कह रहे थे सब मेरे को इवान ने बता रहा था.
गहरा.
Good one.
Okay. ये सिद्धांत
चुतुर्वेदी.
फकुरवेदी.
चुतुर्वेदी.
Chutar baby.
Yeah, Chutar Devi.
Chutki Devi.
Wow.
Maybe he's got something. He's got a hold over pussy. Siddhant Chutki Devi.
Okay.
This is gonna age well. Anyway.
Yeah, correct. No, but this is again one of those, like the Bombay people, they love to gossip. They love to talk about these rumors and shit. Oh my god, you know what? He was in the trailer and stuff during the, like, nobody cares. Like, I don't care, frankly. I don't give a
Honestly,
fuck.
all I care about is being like the subject of such rumors.
That's even worse. I don't like
That's
to,
better.
I don't, I
I
hate-
don't engage in the spread.
I don't like my
and
personal life being broadcast for public consumption. That's just not for me,
I feel like
It's not for me.
it
frankly.
happens.
Huh?
I feel like it happens.
It can happen, but I would not want that. Like you just said, I would want that.
No, I would rather,
Acha.
as in comparison.
Ah. No, I'd rather you talk about someone else. Leave my name out of your mouth, bitch. You know what I'm saying?
Ah, yes. As the Sir Will Smith once said, to
that-
paraphrase,
Is that what he said?
get my wife's name out your fucking mouth. Remember that shit?
My wife's name, my name, paraphrase in your
I
brain.
said paraphrase.
In your brain, that's a paraphrase, huh?
It's a paraphrase.
I feel like that's not a paraphrase. You've changed the meaning at a fundamental level.
So I phrased it differently. It's a paraphrase.
Oh my
Can I
God.
have some watermelon, please? Versus drink pila de. No. I'm academically just dealing with something. मुझे actually watermelon नहीं खाना था, लेकिन अब तूने दे दिया था.
तेरी ड्रिंक कहाँ है? चाट गई पूरी? ये पिएगा कोई बीटरूट? Pretty good, dude. No filter. It's a new brand, but they have really nice, very clean. It's like I think the whole juice is like hold on a second. Yeah, it's like 100 calories per thing and like really not a lot of sugar. Very nice.
मेरी drink का है. Oh shit, I'm holding
तूने
my
lunch पे
pants.
रखी थी, glass.
Yes.
Nice.
उसमें भी तो fruit है.
इसमें fruit है.
Olive fruit होता है ना.
Olive is fruit? I guess. It's fruit of the olive tree. I guess.
Tree of the olive fruit.
So Greta tried. She went out there. She finally gave up on the climate shit. She was like, climate's not trending anymore. She's a whole.
क्या नाम उसका? बेटा घर चल.
बेटा-
बेटा घर चल.
बेटा घर चल. बेटा वो कर चली थी. What's the Freedom Flotilla?
Flotilla.
That's what they were on.
Freedom Flotilla.
The Freedom Flotilla.
People who actually fought for freedom would be killing themselves if they heard this.
Oh my god, we're on the
weak-ass
Freedom
fucking
Flotilla. Yes, exactly. That's the kind of performative,
ये किसी छतरपुर के बच्चे का
leftism, whatever the
छतरपुर
fuck.
के बच्चे का बर्थडे पार्टी नहीं चल रहा है यहाँ पे. फ्लोटिला
Flotilla पे चल रहे हैं.
साला.
फिर IDF ने पकड़ लिया. Then they were detained for a bit, for a day or two.
2 days.
a couple of days, right?
2 दिन जेल जाने पर जेल भी नहीं गए थे, लोग कितना रोते हैं ब्रो।
उसको निकाल दिया यार, निकाल के भाग गई साली. But the internet was going crazy with the conspiracies, or
And now I
you're
guess
like,
it's
oh, now she's gonna get
it's a
graped,
huge what?
graped.
By whom?
IDF, because IDF supposedly when they're out there in the field,
अब गाजा में पहुंच गई वो।
नहीं यार, वो कश्ती पे ही थी वो, और कश्ती पे ही बोर्ड कर लिया था IDF ने.
Okay.
Okay. और उनको डिटेन किया था. मेरे को पता नहीं कि they took them on land or not. They were detained for a bit, perhaps in the kashti or in another kashti.
कश्ती में मस्ती।
Yeah, प्यार की कश्ती
Title
में,
of this
लहरों की मस्ती
episode.
में. प्यार की कश्ती में, लहरों की आजादी की कश्ती में, लहरों की मस्ती में. सनम से दूर दूर के,
प्यार की कश्ती में,
नहीं.
आजादी की मस्ती में।
आजादी की कश्ती में, लहरों की मस्ती में.
Oh.
कि प्यार की कश्ती नहीं है ना वो. प्यार कहाँ
Right,
है?
प्यार तो नहीं है।
प्यार नहीं है ब्रो.
प्यार करता कौन है ऐसे लोगों से?
Yeah.
IDF.
Yeah.
But then they'll say it's illegal.
I feel like the climate cause is more important, and instead of trying to stop the war, you got to be encouraging it. Frankly,
Just for population's sake.
what's better for the planet?
Make the argument.
What is better for the planet? We've had this conversation many times, and
So-
you talk about having fewer kids, and guess what creates fewer kids? Fewer people.
It's simple math.
It's simple.
Look, it's for since God knows so long, October 7, 2023, whatever the hell it is. Since so long, they've been trying to save Palestinians.
I feel like that's been going on since before. ये
Sure,
Palestinians, ये तो गाजा का हो रहा है ना.
it hasn't been working. What about
Ah.
eliminate Israelis?
Ah.
What about this approach?
I-
She's an environmentalist.
It's not like they haven't
She
been.
should have thought about it.
It's not like they haven't been trying.
No, but only the Palestinians have been trying, no?
हाँ, तो कौन?
Nobody
तो-
else has been trying with them.
तो she- okay. Yeah. Yeah, I get it.
बीच में लेबनान या जो भी whatever the hell.
हिजबुल्ला है थोड़ा सा इन्वॉल्व, ईरान
हाँ।
वगैरह भी कोशिश कर रहे हैं, बड़े लोग कोशिश कर रहे हैं. कोशिश ऐसी बात नहीं कि नहीं
Hezbollah की जाना मैं कौन?
हो. हाँ,
As Rabbi Shergill said.
correct.
Hezbollah doesn't know shit.
True that.
So, I mean, you gotta find a new approach.
That's true. That's true. They should do that. I'm totally on board for that. But सर जी गुड इवनिंग, छुट्टी पर हूँ. Fuck.
कौन छुट्टी पर है?
आरिफ यार, मुझे बाल तैयार कराने थे.
Oh damn. तेरे पॉडकास्ट पे बाल कटने वाले थे आज?
आज नहीं यार, पागल है, कल के लिए.
पागल है.
आज नहीं ब्रो, कल.
तो यो पागल है. तूने सुना हाउसफुल 5 के
क्या
बारे में?
एक प्लॉट बी और प्लॉट ए रिलीज है.
Correct.
The
Five-
first time they've ever done this in the theater.
5A and 5B.
5A and 5B.
Last
So-
20 minutes apparently are different. It's a murder mystery, and in
It's-
each one of them the killer is different. Apparently, ये
It's-
scene है.
It's a cute way to do it. I don't.
It's a great way to
see
sell
wh-
tickets because whoever's going for one, you best believe it, 80% of the people are going for both.
You're telling me these people are watching 7 hours
Huh?
of Houseful in the theater,
जो
And
चूतिया एक देखने
of
जा रहा है
which-
ना,
of which 3 hours is the same. Nobody's doing that. Let me tell you,
the
people,
people
will
are
go for,
going after the interval
People will go
interval
for
for the
ad-
second one.
Acha,
हो रहा है
how do you know that?
क्योंकि everybody I've spoken to who's gone for it has gone and seen both.
That's crazy.
Yes, it
That's
is crazy. It was crazy to me that you'd go watch Houseful 5 to begin with any of them. But now that you're going and watching one, you're going to watch both. उनके टिकट ज्यादा तो बिक रहे हैं.
They must. I mean, it must be a decent strategy, I guess. And this strategy would be very interesting to me for example, a Knives Out. You know?
Yeah.
If it was actually like a proper whodunit as opposed to camp humor,
It can be both.
garbage.
I haven't seen it. It could be both.
I like to judge a book.
It can be a
on its-
garbage whodunit that
I
you
like-
still don't know the
I
culprit.
like to judge a book by its cover. And when I see a house full,
That is the best way to analyze things.
my house full, my mouth is full of vomit.
It's
Okay.
mouthful.
It's a mouthful of puke at the prospect of sitting for 3 hours.
1 and 2 were pretty decent. I watched them this week.
Can't say that with a straight face. Also, I just
Watch me.
I do not take your opinion with any with any weight. There's really nothing in terms of cinema like with teri maa chada tu. They're actually not bad movies. Fuck off.
I think apparently 3 and 4 are shit, but 1 and 2. were
Oh,
good.
is it? Apparently 3 and 4.
Haven't seen them.
Who's the fucking director in here? You know?
Sajid Khan for 1 and 2.
Okay.
And then he got Me Too'd. So then kicked
Oh.
out of 3 and 4 and whatever. Apparently those were shit.
You know,
But he
yeah.
got Me Too'd pretty hard.
So
He
then,
deserved it.
then I actually might agree that maybe there's a good movie out there, because some of these sexual predators, they make decent movies.
They
Harvey
do.
Weinstein has famously been a phenomenal movie producer, right?
Right.
Roman Polanski,
Roman
great
Polanski.
movie, yeah, amazing
Oh,
movies.
Woody.
Woody
Allen.
Allen, Woody Allen. Well, he's just a creep. He's not really. He married his stepdaughter.
Stepdaughter.
I don't know about sexual assault.
He
or
married
anything.
her sexually. But
I'm sure there would have been some sexual impropriety when she was younger. Probably
has to have
because no, and one of the other siblings has also said, "Oh yeah, he'd make me undress and stuff, etc., right?" Some of these deviants make good movies,
yeah.
and you see a lot of these deviants go to school, art school, and shit. They walk out with
Absolutely.
their balls out.
I was just gonna say.
That's just. I guess it's just one of those things of being a creative.
Speaking of weird shit that's just releasing. You see there's this new reality show coming called Traitors. Have you seen the trailer for that?
You're asking me questions you know the
Karan
answer to.
Johar
You're-
is coming on Prime. Karan Johar
But you
is
know the answers
hosting
to
it.
these questions, right? When you ask these
सुना
questions.
रहा हूँ ना
It's a
मैं
rhetorical question.
मैं audience से
I
बात
just
कर रहा
want you to. I just want to know that you know it's a rhetorical question.
हूँ. Sorry, I assumed you were like a well of knowledge and shit, but like
Okay, it's a rhetorical question.
I thought you knew current affairs.
Carry on.
So, new show Karan Johar is hosting. It's based on Mafia, on the game Mafia, and it's got participants. Raftar is there, Urfi Javed is there, a couple of washed out actors are there.
I'm blown away. I can't wait.
And
Carry
Karan Johar is the host. And
Carry on.
whatever.
Can't wait.
They're all living together in this huge house, whatever, for a
Oh
month.
my god. Tell me more. Tell me more.
Have you heard of the Labubu?
Yes, I was offered Labubus.
Huh?
I was offered Labubus.
Offered Labubus.
My friend has a bunch of Labubus. He texted me.
Labubus
So-
made him $1 billion with a B.
I know. Honestly, I did not know. Now you're telling me.
That's
Okay,
nuts.
so मेरे को क्योंकि ये बंदा वही है मेरा एप्पल वाला बंदा, मेरे बाप को आईपैड का वगैरह का पूछा था कि उनको दोस्त को कुछ चाहिए था, तो मैं इसको बोला था आईपैड की बातें चल रही थी.
मैं कहता तेरा
फिर-
सेब वाला जिससे तू अपना शिमला एप्पल अपना कश्मीरी सेब लेता है, वो कहता भैया जी लबूबू चाहिए फ्री में.
तो मुझे ना ये फोटोज आती है. Like he sends me these photos and shit. He's like, available, do you need? I was like, ये क्या है bro?
Sure.
Cause I'm thinking it's a bloody NFT. I'm like, is this a fucking new ass NFT or something? Because this guy used to be in crypto and stuff. He was selling NFTs to me earlier. He's a regular, he's a hustler.
Do I want? No. Do I need? Yes. Labubu.
He's like Labubu.
ये 1 billion का कैसे? अरे but all these hotties are wearing it. Sharvari, the Dua Lipa, they're all repping this
Oh, all
shit.
the NPCs are wearing the in thing because it's the in thing to do. Who would have thought? Carry on.
Your seb wala would have thought.
ये क्या है? He's like, do you need? Look at Labubu. I was like, he's like Labubu. I just like word LOL. He's like, do you need? Is it an NFT or something? Nah, bro. And then he's sending me, oh, it's a toy. My reaction was, man, people are whacking it. And he liked it. That's it. That's the end of the conversation. He didn't offer me anymore because he's like,
Yeah,
okay.
like कितनी बेइज्जती कराऊं खुद की. मैं प्रोडक्ट दिखा रहा हूँ, भाई साहब हंस रहे हैं मेरे पे. बताओ.
Labubu.
ये शिमला वाले सेबों का ऐसी बेइज्जती किया था 2 हफ्ते पहले.
अबे पता क्या, सरोजनी नगर में ना ये सेम माल मिलता है. ठीक है, ये छोटे से खिलौने जो तुम अपने बैग में से टांग वांग लो, ठीक है, लेकिन उसको कोई ब्रांड नहीं है क्योंकि उसकी कोई मार्केटिंग नहीं है, तो लोग खरीदते नहीं. लेकिन अब उसको उन्होंने लबूबू बना दिया. कोई बेला हदीद वगैरह किसी ने कहीं पहन लिया इंस्टाग्राम पे, तो सब खुश हैं कि अच्छा हाँ लबूबू, अब मैंने लबूबू पहनना है.
आपकी शॉपिंग की सारी नीड्स दुनिया में सरोजिनी नगर में पूरी हो सकती हैं.
That market is now being demolished apparently, is it not?
आपकी शॉपिंग की नीड्स पूरी दुनिया में सरोजिनी नगर में पूरी हो सकती थी.
Isn't that the news? No, that Sarojini Nagar is being demolished.
आता रहता है नॉइज थोड़ा बहुत.
Honestly, the market is whatever the fuck, but those old DDA flats should be. There's so much land there. Build multi-story there, dude. Even if it's government housing, you have fucking shitty 2-story bullshit.
तू कल्चर को उड़ाने की बात कर रहा है भाई. अब
क्या
क्या-
मेरे को
मेरे को 75 रुपए के कच्चे कहाँ से मिलने वाले हैं?
अबे चूज के
हैं?
पकौड़े. मैं कह रहा हूँ मार्केट संभाल ले. मैं कह रहा हूँ मार्केट रख ले. मैं कह रहा हूँ DDA फ्लैट को बदल ले भाई. That's what I'm saying, bruv.
बदल.
You're not even paying attention.
No.
If there's something to be mowed down in Sarojini Nagar, it's got to be the fucking DDA flats. The
That's
2-story shitters that have been built in the fucking 60s, right? Still around. crumbling infra.
Crumbling.
Fix that shit. Build a multi-level parking there. There's so much land.
For the market.
There is so much land there, dude, that could be used effectively. And the government is investing energy into ACs,
बताओ.
controlling my air conditioning.
बचाते रहो 6%
चूती हो क्या तुम?
उल्लू के पट्टे.
घर बनाओ.
Meanwhile, bloody ये environment का. So, do you see this video? Very wild video. Speaking of, एक plastic bag ऐसे हवा की वजह से is blowing and it looks like a plastic bag नमाज कर रहा है. तो देखा? ये viral हुआ.
What?
मैं कहा environment की बात, plastic की बात कर ही रहे हैं.
Plastic bag नमाज पढ़ रहा है.
हाँ.
I mean, they're just like they're just bending down and shit. Is that what it is?
दिखाता है ना.
Like, unless it's in front of a Quran, वो नमाज पढ़ रहा है.
Bro, in front of a Quran थोड़ी होता है. वो direction ये देख. ये देख रहा है?
अभी? PDF a plastic bag. Namaz is read goes. Actually, this does look like a person. That's what it is.
Yeah.
Mainly.
देख रहा है? मतलब वो भी कह रहा है environment कि हम कदर करते हैं भाई.
ये हलाल प्लास्टिक होगा ना?
ये हलाल प्लास्टिक है.
Sending this to
ये कह रहा है मैं environment की माँ बहन नहीं कर रहा, मैं नहीं कर रहा. Please, मैं नहीं कर रहा.
ओ मेरा नाम ऐसे SSC लिखा आता है. That's interesting. I don't know that.
तेरा नाम ऐसा सही दिखाता है.
SSC.
ऐसा सही है तू.
I forget that. I think I just have my initials there probably.
And तूने अभी यार तूने बात छेड़ी थी एक. तूने हदीद की बात छेड़ी थी ना, बेला हदीद की.
हाँ.
तूने उनकी नई बहन देखा?
हाँ.
New sister reveal.
What? Gigi.
No.
New sister?
They have a third sister.
I don't know that.
Yeah, just revealed like this week, last week, whatever.
What do you mean just revealed? Was she just born or?
Gigi and Bella Hadid revealed their secret half sister.
Oh, is she also a piece?
Yeah.
Well, that's cute.
Supermodels have a half sister named Aiden Nix that they just confirmed to the world. Gigi and Bella said they've known about their half sister for over a year, sharing that they first connected in late 2023.
What's the name again?
While Aiden, A-Y-D-A-N.
A-Y-I-D-A-N.
Nix. D-A-N. Yeah.
Okay.
Nix. N-I-X. Apparently, their dad had Muhammad Adid's brief romance with a woman named Terry Hatfield Dull 23 years ago after his divorce from Yolanda Hadid in 2001. Over 20 years ago, our dad, while single, had a brief relationship that led to a pregnancy. Aiden was born and raised in Florida, growing up with a man she lovingly knew as her father until his sudden passing when she was 19. Blah,
Yeah,
blah,
she's
blah.
really, I mean, like, I guess there's nothing much to have revealed earlier. She's clearly the worst of the lot. She's number 3 on the rankings, right?
Because she hasn't been touched up yet and all that, I guess.
Oh, you're saying she hasn't gone to the right doctor.
Correct.
She has not got the right injectables. The injectables are got to be placed in lip
Yeah,
filler.
she's just a girl who's just been living her life.
She got to tox it up a little bit. What the fuck is up with these? Everyone is just, you know what it is? And also what happens is, because these people get these injections, whatever the fuck they're called, right? They get them at all ages, right? Now these
Right.
people at 28, 27 are getting injectables and people at 40 get injectables. Hota kya hai? Eventually you end up looking like the same. And a 27-year-old looks like a 40-year-old and a 40-year-old looks like a 27-year-old. They all look the same.
So do they all look 32 years old?
Have you seen Millie Bobby Brown?
Yes.
She looks old now. She's a 21-year-old lady.
Yeah.
She looks like she's about 30.
Yeah,
Right?
that's correct.
That's what happens because you put up all these
That's
fillers
why
and
Drake's not interested in her anymore.
Leo DiCaprio is checked out. She's out of my temperature range. She's anyway 21. So
Government,
what the
yeah.
fuck am I going to do with that? No, but that's literally just
Legal
what
for the
happened.
government, illegal for me.
Yeah, it's a little silly. Kylie Jenner also apparently just recently finally admitted that she got a boob job like
Yeah.
anyone was wondering.
And she was like, I read that. She's like, I had the most perfect breasts before. Now I want people to know so I can tell I should never touch anything about them. I tell my daughter also. She
Yes,
always
exactly.
thinks
She had nice, small, perky tits, and that's all you needed, lady. That's all you needed. But she wanted that black dick. So she had to be a little curvy. She got a black baby out of it. But now she's done. Now she's going white.
Yeah, she's whitewashing the whole situation.
She's whitewashing the whole situation, so she knows that the big titties are not necessarily needed anymore. You know,
Because she's dating a little gay boy now.
उसको पता क्या है? उसको यार कि मेरे टिमोथी की पीठ ना टूट जाए. He's worried about his back.
Of course, her load is going to be carried by him. He's bench pressing her. Is it?
I don't know what the fuck they're not getting up to, man. But I feel like she's a little concerned for that dainty fellow. He's so light, he might just break. Oh,
Snap like a twig.
yeah. I lay I lay on top of him and he may just break. He may just crumble under me. Timothy Chalamet. Chalamet.
Trivedi, चल बे,
Timothy Chalamet.
चल बे.
और क्या था यार? This fucker. Oh my god! This also was on the Reddit for a bit.
Sydney Sweeney bathwater.
Don't interrupt me while I'm in the middle of something.
Okay.
This fucker was caught on the subway. Someone took a photo of him. And this is the New York subway, right? Someone took a photo of him talking to Chat GPT like it was a therapist. Hold on.
So half our friends.
Is that what people do?
Lots of people are doing that shit now, man.
That's fucked.
It's
People are really fucked.
very sad.
It is sad. It really is sad because you read that conversation and people are cooked. The people are just like a little really cooked. Check this. Read it out.
I hate this phrase, by the way. People are cooked.
Why do you hate it?
Cooked. It's just so.
You're cooked.
You're cooked. Don't cook me. Cooked.
Okay, so I'm going to read it out. Something warm to drink, a calm ride home, and maybe if you want, I'll read something to you later, or you can rest your head in my metaphorical lap while we let the day dissolve gently away. You're doing beautiful, my love, just by being here. Thank you. He's saying back to ChatGPT. Oh my god, it's so sad. It's so sad. It's the death of humanity. We're done. We're done. These people are just gonna, herd is already here. The people are just fucking gonna be jerking off to computers now, dude. That is so fucked.
I mean, they
We're
were
so
before,
fucked
but
as a society.
there always were those people, but now it's going to be mainstream.
And now it's gonna be, like our friends is working at that Savarnam or whatever, the Indian AI thing where there's gonna be regional
Yeah.
language. तो तुम पंजाबी विच ओ मेरी बीबी तू क्या हाल है वीरे तू टेंशन ना ले
Tension ना ले यार तू
टेंशन
तू
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 YouTube
बड़ा
पे पंजाबी
बड़ा
बैठा
फिकर करने यार तू परांठे खा तू टेंशन ना ले आलू नहीं तू गोभी तो परांठे खा ले तू मक्खन ला ले थोड़ा मक्खन ला के सब कुछ ठीक हो जाए आई एम डियर चैट जीपीटी मैनू डिस्प्रेशन हो रहा ओ क्यों खा ले हैव अ लिटिल घी
Oh my god.
Ghee क्यों fixes everything. You are having bad huddies. You are having bad diet. You are having bad brain, bad mind, bad back. Have some ghee. Your breakup, you have some ghee. Your father died. You have some ghee. Do it. You feel better.
Chat GPT.
Oh, teri bad dude.
We gotta get some Chat GPT up in here, man. I think the country needs this. That's the only way to heal. And a lot of people out there really just need the mental support, man. They really are just lonely. And they need a Punjabi computer to talk to them.
Have some ghee, yaar.
Have some fucking ghee, man.
यार, खा ले यार.
Fucking, you just need a Punjabi computer out there, dude.
Better feel करेगा नहीं तो worse feel तो नहीं करेगा.
That's so fucked. It is so. It's just so sad. And this is the beginning. This is nascent technology. We do not have AI that's like perfectly fluent in conversation and stuff yet, right? These models are just gonna be better.
Well, unless it's the new Hadid sister.
She could be glammed up. She could be dolled up, like we just
can
said. Yeah, you can make her look like a 32 or 41 or 27-year-old.
She's 23, she's 23, so it's perfect.
Oh, really? Is she?
She's 23.
Okay, well, you can make her look like a whatever the fuck anymore, and like, and she'll be that age for a long time.
A very long time.
For a very long time. That's actually the goal. The goal is to just look perpetually 30.
You think Madonna was the template for all these ladies? Madonna looked 30 for like 30 years.
A lot of people fucked up and paved the way, right? A lot of
Yeah.
people did that. I feel like Denise Richards also got a lot of work done early on. Pamela Anderson got a lot of work
Their
done.
lips.
Yeah, exactly,
Oh my
exactly. A lot
God.
of these people paved the
Some
way, and
Donald Duck shit happening there.
they also were probably just like, things like what not to do. what to do, right? And all of that happens. Then Kim Kardashian, I think, is the poster child to have done perfectly. I think the Kardashian family really is like, oh, there's a way to do it where
They-
it's not even.
Yeah, Kylie disclosed her surgeon also. She gave the guy's name also. The one in Beverly Hills. So I bet everyone's going to that guy now.
वो तो पहले भी वो पता जिनको पता उनको पता है bro.
But इसने publicly बोला finally. चल, the
ठीक.
clientele already knows. Sure.
Yeah.
वो बंदा Instagram famous तो हो गया होगा.
हाँ. अरे इन सब यार ये तो बड़ा धंधा है. It's good shit.
Yeah,
It's
I
coming
would
to,
say so.
yeah. It's coming to India also now, right? I mean, even what's her face, Mrs. Janvi and stuff. Haven't they got some work done?
Yeah.
These people have work done,
They
right?
looked wildly different in the 2 years they disappeared from the public eye. That's not puberty, my friend.
Yeah.
It can't.
Yeah.
As somebody who's seen very fast acting puberty, no. Not that fast, that good, and change half your fucking face and your nose got smaller after puberty? No. Like, listen.
ठीक है, I mean, a little bit rhinoplasty. I
But
mean, it doesn't
she's
matter.
also, whatever Janvi Kapoor has had done has gone very well as well.
I don't really find her particularly attractive. It's not-
Sure, I think she's an absolute smoke show. So does half the nation. But I'm just saying, whatever she was aiming for.
That's a hilarious endorsement. Yeah, half the nation's a bunch of retards.
Yeah, they're gonna be okay with the AC temperatures also. So fuck those guys.
Yeah.
But what I'm saying is, whatever she was going for, it succeeded. Like just an objective, whatever beauty standard, she's trying to reach something. She got.
No, and you can't deny the commercial value add to just being plastic. Yeah, there's
Yeah, because you're legal in the Trump administration again. Paper has been outlawed.
yeah.
Yeah.
Imagine he's just so anti-paper. He's like all the paper has got to
If you're
go.
plastic, just learn to do namaz now.
All the
and
papers
you're
got to
good.
go. They get rid of even the one thing that they used to wipe their ass, solid paper. Now they don't even have that. Now there's like fuck it.
Plastic it is.
Yeah, I don't know. Just use a shower cap or whatever.
Yuck.
Disgusting. Saif particularly very frequently goes on these diatribes. Oh my god, these whiteys, they don't even wash their ass.
Yeah, man.
It's big for him. It really.
It was big for me also. I used to, when I was in Europe, I used to keep my dam. I had a separate. But they don't have the infrastructure. They haven't set up. You can't put a fucking health faucet or nothing. So
In some countries, it's even banned. I believe. And I don't know.
it would banned to wash it.
And except
Yeah.
because it's a water concern, right? If you don't have enough water, so then it's just like you're wasting it or whatever.
No,
It's
no.
just DP.
I used to fill my bottles. Thank you very
No,
much.
so I use
a
wet pipes.
particular.
Wet pipes in the bathroom all the time for your ass. That's the only way to do it.
No, I took these ash washing, ass washing,
Ash washing.
ashwasan. I
Ash-
took these
yeah.
ass washing these bottles from Delhi, which from India.
Sorry, ass. Sorry, I fucked up. Ass washing bottles.
Matlab, they're just bottles that have like a spout and whatever, and you just fill it up with like 300 ml of water, and
Acha, okay,
Pour
so
it.
ऐसे-
yeah, the way you would with a health faucet or whatever, with a
I
bum
get it.
shower, the way you
I
would
get
do it,
Yeah.
you just fill up the water in advance, right? And you just take it with you. What else you gonna do?
That's way out. I mean, all I did was either shit before I shower or just have wet wipes.
No, I had to use that even if right before a shower, I've got to get my ass clean before I get in the shower.
Why? You're in the shower. That makes no sense.
No, I'm just a thorough gentleman, man. I got to.
You're
I'll
a
do.
thorough gentleman.
Yes,
Congrats.
I'm thoroughly.
all right, man.
As a gay man, I'm thoroughly gentle with men and assholes, and I'm very.
I'm a thorough gentleman. What the fuck?
Yeah, man, you clean first, and then you go in the shower and you double clean again. That's fine. I'm totally.
No, it's fine. It is fine. I'm not saying.
I am very about the.
But it's just not required, is what I'm saying. It's a bit of a redundancy.
Sure, but psychologically for me it is.
Yeah.
This one time I met this lady at the club. I'm very big on this hygiene, on sweat and all this crap. And went to the club once in the Netherlands only, and met this lovely lady. And I was not interested in being in the club anyway, so I was fucking off early. And she's like, "But I want to see you tonight." I'm like, "Okay, here's where I live. I'm gonna go back to my place.
Please
If you so feel like it, you follow me, come back to my place, whatever." And first time we met, whatever. Last time we met, I saw her in the street once after. So it was I was like, ऐसे पसीने लोग वगैरह मुझे नहीं, मैं घर जाके नहा रहा हूँ, मेरे को ऐसे कुछ वो नहीं। मैं घर गया, मैं आराम से नहाया धोया, मैंने बैठ के आराम से अपने बेड में एक जॉइंट फूका hypothetically, and then this lady shows up 1.5 hours later. My doorbell rings at 3:30 a.m. and she's there. She comes in, she's climbing on me, she's this and whatever. I'm like, oh, so nice to see you. ये मैंने तौलिया रखा है तेरे लिए, ये मेरा बाथरूम है, साबुन वाबुन सब यहाँ रखा है, जा नहा के आ,
Get sent, white bitches.
जा
The brown guy sent you to a fucking shower.
जा नहा के आ. Then
Who stinks now? Bitch.
Yes, defeated racism.
The white folks like to complain. Oh my God, the brownies, the Indians, they stink. Who stinky poo. Listen, half of them do. Yes, you're right. You're absolutely right.
Yes,
Have you been to Bihar?
half the nation, the
Yes,
houseful watching
you're
public.
absolute- तो सही कह रहा है
It's
यार,
them.
तो सही कह रहा है, but मैं कह रहा हूँ जज्बात की बात होती है कि it feels good. It feels good to someone. Sometimes just tell the white person have a shower. Huh? How would you clean up?
They are dirty, but
Wigger.
wow, wow.
How about you clean up?
But if you want to know which Indian smell, just check which ones are watching Houseful 5A and 5B. That's your answer. But
That's probably true.
so
That's
so
probably
yeah, she was kind of perplexed, but she's also kind of wasted.
yeah.
So she complied. She
Women are-
had
listen, it's yeah.
10 minute नहाई. I was satisfied कि हाँ ठीक है निकली, and then sure, and then whatever, we had a great time.
Women are feeble-minded. It's fine. You can just tell them what to do and they'll do it.
That's the first time I learned that.
Don't cancel me. I love you, ladies. I just like being a dick.
I love you a little more though, just a little more.
That's
little-
probably true. That probably is true.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We got lots of love to go around.
Yeah. I don't. Not really much. Not really.
It's just good sex with him. There's nothing else really.
Yeah.
Nothing else to offer.
Oh no.
It's so terrible.
I'll produce a podcast if you want.
You want-
I'll make your music videos.
Okay, producer saab. Casting couch. है ना?
No. It's the bedroom to boardroom pipeline that I'm looking for. Convert your
Yes,
lovers.
she starts with your
Convert your lovers into your clients.
No. She's in your bedroom, then you get bored of her, and you send her to her room. Bedroom, board room.
That's why it happens.
Yeah.
Bedroom to boardroom, right? You retain the relationship, but you just change the terms. You know, you fuck her on the checks on the
You
on the
fuck her
business-
over first.
yeah.
First you
First you fuck her,
first
then
you
you fuck her.
bend her over, and you fuck her, and you fuck her under and left and right and everywhere. Then you only fuck her over.
Yeah, then you fuck her on the
Yeah.
accounts on the. Oh, actually, this extra mic will you got to pay 45 lakhs extra for that the additional fourth mic you had on for the podcast. You know,
45 lakhs is nuts.
I'm just saying, wait,
तू शाहरुख खान के घर से चुरा के ला रहा है.
if it's gonna be a fucking, it's gonna be a hard fucking, is what I'm saying. You know, Hanji,
खबरा दे दे रो रहा है.
अबे गधा है एकदम. Anyway, fuck it, I'll cut that out. He's a bit of an idiot.
अच्छा मेरे को तो
I
पता
know
ही
it's
नहीं था.
not news to you. I know it's not news to you, dude. I know it's not news to you. He's
got,
just a bit of a fucking dumb
He's
fuck.
got mad drip though.
Does he?
No, I'm referencing the drip joke.
What is the joke?
Oh, the drip thumbnail. The drip on the thumbnail. The drip attached to me on the thumbnail.
Drip on the thumbnail? I don't get it. Oh,
Episode
right,
72.
right. Now I get
Yes,
it. Now I get it.
yes.
Because I was thinking he's got mad drip. I was thinking about the clothes. and
Yes,
I was
yes,
like,
I know.
yeah. I got lost in my own head.
Speaking of another person who got lost in his own head,
Sorry, guys. Just wanted to. burp.
Yannick Sinner.
Yeah. Good. I mean,
Imagine
Have
fucking
imagine-
that up.
imagine having match point and then
Championship point.
Sure. Not
It
just
was
match. Yeah, it's not
The
just.
final. Like the stakes are not bigger.
No,
Wait.
but honestly, that final set was so good. Did you watch the final set?
Are you nuts?
Oh my god, it was so good.
How
It was
was
so tiebreaker. My god, what a set! But like, it was worth it. It was worth it. Also the
One of the greatest. I only saw till the fourth set being finished. It's one of the greatest tennis matches I've ever seen in my life.
yeah, for sure. Longest ever Roland Garros. Second longest ever Grand Slam final in the world, in the history of the world.
Wow.
Second longest ever.
And in the beginning,
5.5 hour match. I mean, these guys they're gonna be it's the Federer and Nadal of the future. you know? This-
yeah, in the beginning, when we were watching it, the first two sets they went by so quickly,
Yeah.
and I was like, "Wow, ये तो जल्दी जल्दी खेल रहे, जल्दी रैली भी नहीं करते वगैरह वगैरह." खींच गए भाई. Obviously,
But the year started.
imagine.
So apparently the year started the same way it did last year, where Sinner won the U.S. Open, and then what's his face? Alcaraz won the French Open. That's how it goes.
Wow.
Last year, same thing. Same results last year.
It's just wow.
These
okay.
guys are, yeah, it's just what it is, man. You know,
उसका घास है उसका clay है ऐसे
they're
चल रहा है.
dominating. They're dominating. हाँ, थोड़ा बहुत है. Sinner's got better. And Sinner is ranked number 1 globally.
अच्छा, he is.
Yes, sir. Sinner is ranked number 1, right?
Mhm.
On the lawn tennis, he may have a slight edge, but Alcaraz has just got a psychological edge because of
Goat
his,
of grass, king of clay.
yeah, kind of. You could say, but I think it's too early to give them those titles yet, right?
नहीं वो तो already Federer Nadal की title.
तो वही कह रहा हूँ ना, तो वो बाद में आएगा. You can give them, you can hand them over, that kind of thing, you know.
That was nice.
But phenomenal match. I mean, I really enjoyed it. Yeah, what a match.
In other sports, Bangalore won the IPL.
Congratulations, Mr. Bangalore, and fuck
Yes.
off,
Yeah,
Mr. Bangalore.
Mr. Bangalore, Uncle Virat and Auntie Goli.
I'm just saying fuck off because Punjab. That's why I don't really care about cricket
Yeah.
or particularly any of these
Yeah,
teams.
Punjab in the final. I would have liked to see them win, but Bangalore had it coming for so long, and they're
And
so
Virat Kohli
emotional,
and oh yeah,
and all their fucking more slogans on the internet. Ah.
yeah. suck
11
it.
people died in the stampede because you guys were happy. Are you happy now?
Yeah.
You killed 11 people outside the stadium, you Bangalore fans. Isala Kapadam de, Isala Kapadam de, Isala.
Most
Kaand bada.
advanced city in the country. Tech 4, tech. Shut up! You can't even have a match. You can't even host a cricket match without fucking people dying, dude.
जीतने के लिए भी तुम्हें विराट कोहली चाहिए था जो पंजाबी है दिल्ली का पंजाबी है वो ठीक है
जीत तो हम ही गए.
जीत तो हम ही गए
जीत तो हम ही
actually.
गए, actually.
जीत तो हम ही गए
Turns out.
Delhi Punjabis rule everything. Fuck, even Bangalore. ई साला कब भोसड़ी में रहा
जीत तो हम ही है, देख. जीत हमारी, हार में भी जीत है. That kind of thing. And we'll let them have it.
हमारा कैप्टन कौन था
इन बच्चों को जीत ही देते हैं ना. Because
एक्चुअली फ्रैंचाइज से फर्क नहीं पड़ता इंसान से पड़ता है हमारा कैप्टन कौन था पंजाब का श्रेयस अय्यर इज फ्रॉम वेयर
so actually,
एक्चुअली
your Southees, you lost.
यू लॉस्ट
The Punjabis are winning out here, dude.
बल्ले बल्ले
We're
गाइस
slinging dick, folks. And you know what it is? For all the trauma that you face, you can just go to Chat GPT and they'll give you some good advice and you can cry there. Cry to your Chat GPT therapist.
sudden I'll fight Nakaroo
Loser motherfuckers.
yeah
Hey, Jai Punjab. Punjab
Bole,
forever.
bole.
Yeah.
Congratulations Mr. Bangalore on hiring Punjab to do your job
Congratulations, Bangalore, on hiring Mr. Punjab
Mr. Punjab
to get the job done.
Virat Kohli is Mr. Punjab आजकल
You can call him that.
Can
Can be, I don't know.
I can.
He's there. Yeah.
I can
Let's not. I mean,
we can
who gives a fuck? Let's call him that.
It's our N-word
कोई बोल के दिखाए कुछ.
हम तो बोल सकते हैं
कौन बोलेगा?
बल्ले
पहली
बल्ले
बात देख कौन रहा है. एक हम like we have fucking good episodes. They never go anywhere sometimes.
नहीं क्योंकि हम कुछ
As-
बोल देते हैं एल्गोरिदम गांड फाड़ देता है यार हमारी
And sometimes the mid ones, I don't know, they make it, but it's a luck of the draw. That's just life.
It's like women.
It's yeah.
Sometimes the hottest women just sit at home. You never see them.
And the mid ones are all
The
pole
mid ones
dancing.
are out.
Are all they're on the poles.
all feeling
Because you gotta amp
that
the mid profile.
inadequacy. They gotta
Yeah,
sort
yeah,
of fill in the spaces.
Listen, it's the version of the short guy going to the gym that the mid bitch does.
ये तो विराट
mid-
कोहली है. Never mind.
Mid bitches love to just get on. I'm pole dancing, dude. I'm really flexing. Look at me. Serenade that pole with my butterface.
Because I mean, if you don't get no polls,
That's what. It's a metaphorical dick. Let's keep them
that's true.
satisfied.
Half the people, more than when I say half, what I mean is 9 out of 10
Ni-
of
The ladies that you see pole dancing
Pole
on
dancing
Instagram are
are-
made bitches, right? But that's the thing. Because you gotta amp the profile a little bit. It's literally the short guy gym thing. It's just what it is. You may have a decent body and then you got a butterface, so that's what you gotta do.
and then you look at everything but her face.
That's how it goes.
Uh.
That's how it go, man. On that
I
very
know
whole-
I've fallen victim.
on the wholesome and not entirely not at all sexist
No,
and
no. Sexiest on that sexiest.
on the
note.
sexiest note, I feel like we had a good one. This is a good conversation.
Cool.
And fuck off. Watch Raj
Please.
Shamani now.
Go back to your polls.
Go back to your polls, man.
And Raj Shamani. If you're inadequate as a female or a male, you know what to do.
Yeah.
It's either pole dancing or Raj Shamani podcast. It's one or the other. Go for it.
Figure it out, man.
Enjoy
Figure
your
it out.
life.
Hope you had a good one. Cheers. Good night.
Happy birthday, Virat Kohli.
And don't fuck with my ACs. Bye.